Welcome back to Minty English. Guess what? We're doing another video, and it is on, the crowd favorite is idioms. Idioms. All right. So, let's start out with some simple ones. Some that you probably already know. Like, piece of cake. Come on, y'all all know what this means. It means easy, right? Okay. How about on the ball? Get on the ball. Yes? Or you're on the ball, which means you're doing a good job. Yes? So far, so good. This just means that whatever you're doing up to this point right now is good, and keep it up. Okay? Missed the boat. Missed the boat just means you're late. Okay? Or not you're late, but it's too late. If I say I have something for you and you don't give me an answer for it, and then you come up to me 2 days later and I'm going to say, you missed the boat. It means it's too late. You can no longer get it for that. Okay? Under the weather. Well, I'm feeling a little under the weather today. Yes? Yeah, I think you all know what that means. It means I'm feeling a little sick today. All right? The best of both worlds. That means it's kind of like when we say, you have your cake and you're eating it too. It means an ideal situation. Right? You have the best of both worlds. You know, you have a good job, you live in a good neighborhood, you have it all. What else could you possibly want? Okay. Wrap your head around something. That just means that, and I'm going to abbreviate here, wrap your head around something just means, normally it's being able to understand something complicated, or means that you don't understand something, okay? If you say, I can't wrap my head around that idea, it means I don't understand it. And it could be that, for instance, you could say that, yeah, I can wrap my head around that, meaning that you do understand it, right? You hear a lot of Americans say, you can say that again. That just means that it's true and I agree with you, all right? And I know, for me, being an English teacher, I do say this a lot, this particular one. Your guess is as good as mine. That basically means I have no idea. No clue whatsoever. Yeah? How about when we say sometimes, oh, that costs an arm and a leg. That just means very expensive. It's too expensive, actually. Okay? By the skin of your teeth. Let's say I give you an example like, I saw you yesterday and you crossed the street just by the skin of your teeth. That means just barely. That means something, a car was coming, maybe it almost hit you, or maybe you almost tripped and fell. So that means just barely. It happened. Okay? How about go on a wild goose chase? That basically means whatever you're doing, it's pointless. You're doing something pointless that has no meaning. There's no use in doing it anymore. Okay? Don't give up your day job. If someone says that to you, believe me, what they're telling you is that whatever you're doing at that particular moment, you're no good at it. So it means don't quit your day job to try to do what you're doing, because it's no good for you. All right? It means you don't know how to do it, and you're very bad at it. All right? Hit the nail on the head. That means you are exactly right. Okay? It's exactly right. Right? Okay, so that is our conclusion of idioms. Believe me, in American English, there are so many more idioms. If you have any questions about any idioms that you've heard of or you're not quite sure about, why don't you put it down in the comments below? And when you do that, if you have any other suggestions, put them in the comments below as well. And don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. Until next time.